Hi guys, it's Jennifer again from VIPS TV, and today we are going to study may. We have the following structure: subject plus may plus verb infinity, or may plus subject plus verb infinity, or subject plus may not plus verb infinity. Please be noticed that in this case, may is a modal verb. It's not a month of the year. There are two main ways to use may. Firstly, may is used to ask or give permission in a polite and fairly formal way. May, can, could are all used to ask for permission. We have examples. May I help you? Could I help you? Can I help you? So what are the differences between may, could, and can? May is the most formal, and could is more formal and polite than can. Secondly, may is used to say that something is possible. So, it's a possibility, not an ability. Let's look at the example. I can swim, but I may not swim tomorrow. Now let's get started practicing sentences. May I help you? May I help you? May I go out? May I go out? May I come in, please? May I come in, please? May I take a message? May I take a message? May I take your order? May I take your order? May I have your name, sir? May I have your name, sir? May I sit here? May I sit here? May I open the window? May I open the window? May I speak to Mr. Mai, please? May I speak to Mr. Mai, please? May I have a paper, please? May I have a paper, please? May I have another cup of coffee? May I have another cup of coffee? May I borrow it, please? May I borrow it, please? May I use your phone? May I use your phone? May I ask who's calling? May I ask who's calling? May I ask how old you are? May I ask how old you are? May I ask you a question? May I ask you a question? May I introduce myself? May I introduce myself? May I see your ticket? May I see your ticket? May I interrupt you for a moment? May I interrupt you for a moment? How may I help you this morning? How may I help you this morning? I may be late tonight. I may be late tonight. You may go now. You may go now. We may need it. We may need it. They may be right. They may be right. He may have a lot of money. He may have a lot of money. She may go to Hanoi tomorrow. She may go to Hanoi tomorrow. She may want to be alone. She may want to be alone. Peter may know my parents. Peter may know my parents. That may be difficult. That may be difficult. That may be easier than we think. That may be easier than we think. It may rain today. It may rain today. It may be okay. It may be okay. It may be in the car. It may be in the car. She may be working. She may be working. They may be watching TV in my room. They may be watching TV in my room. You may not know about that. You may not know about that. You may not believe this. You may not believe this. He may not want to see you. He may not want to see you. She may not be young, but she's beautiful. She may not be young, but she's beautiful. It may not be yummy. It may not be yummy. And this is the end of the video today. If you like the video, please like and share. And I will see you in the next video. Goodbye and have a good day.